Friends, let me tell you about the application of oil in improving your sleep. Only in the condition of disturbed sleep this will be found useful. Those who are having perfect sleep is allowed or advised to have oil application for their health of brain and eyes. Oil application on the head helps the circulation of the brain to be improved so that it will improve the health of the brain and eyes. So coming back to the sleep disorder, if the sleep is disturbed with lack of depth of sleep as well the shortage of the hours of duration of sleep are both helped by the application of oil. How does it help? Let me just brief in and I will go to the application part of it. The oil applied on the head penetrates deep into the brain. Why? Because according to the scientific interpretation, heavy molecular weight, fat molecular weight have the capacity to pass into the brain, passing the blood-brain barrier. So oil has the fat molecules, heavy molecular weight penetrates the brain barrier and enters the brain structure so that it can necessitate the sleep area to make you peaceful, restful. A proper sleep induces you relaxation as well as energy induction in case of your resistance. During this isolation period, it is good to have a proper sleep at night. Ayurveda says you should sleep at night properly and avoid sleeping during the day, wherein might be a reason we sleep during day and get late night to sleep because our habits of browsing in the mobiles or laptops, surfing with the different activities. So first thing I would love to tell you about inducing sleep is make comfortable space for sleeping. Means the bed should be very neat and clean, the room should be perfect, inducing the sleep. In the entrance itself you have to see that the sleep is not disturbed with these kind of electronic equipments. TV, laptop, mobile should be kept away from the bed and away from your reach, so that you feel to sleep, you get into sleep. Otherwise your attention would be easily distracted to the equipments. So coming to the materials or the food substances which can improve the sleep other than oil application, let me give a brief idea. Number one is a glass of milk, as you know, would increase or improve the sleep. In Ayurveda, Shankhapushpa, the raw dried powder, if you take 1 teaspoon of it and boil in 1 glass 100 ml of milk and take it maybe 2-3 hours before the sleep, it will definitely improve the sleep pattern and the depth of sleep. Definitely it will improve the Shankhapushpa mixed with the milk. You can have it twice a day, half teaspoon each through the day and half teaspoon in the night. That will improve the sleep better. Tagara is another herb described or briefed in our Ayurveda text to better your sleep. You can take the capsule is available these days in the market, 1 or 2 capsules accordingly you can have. Sleep disturbances are for some of the persons it is a chronic condition, maybe years they would not have proper sleep, but for few it would be started recently. For recent sleep disturbances it might take only 2 to 3 days of time to correct it. Himasagara Thailam is a preparation of Ayurveda which will better chronic conditions of sleep disorders, but you have to apply it for prolonged period, and a kind of treatment called Piju is advised in Ayurveda. Means soaking of your head with the cloth pieces soaked in Himasagara Thailam, kept over head of the sun head for almost 20 minutes to 30 minutes it will require to cool your head and induce the sleep. Vali Chandanadi oil is also an ideal preparation to be suggested. There are other medicines available in the market, but I don't go for that. Brahmi is a good relaxant. Ashwagandha is another relaxant. Single herb I am referring to, which can be used without any much restrictions or regulations, as we call Pathya according to Ayurveda. Let me correct you about the concept of Pathya. Pathya, the word meaning is that which is most suitable for you. Generally, people take the wrong concept that Pathya is something to avoid. Apathya is the word which should be used and selected accordingly to avoid food substances or habits which aggravates, increases, induces the disorders or disturbances what we have with our body and mind. So coming back to the preparations what we can use for inducing better sleep is the famous preparation called Ksheerabala 101 times. It is a Avarti, means the Siddha Ritusa Kurundoti is being taken into herbal formulation of milk and ghee 101 times repeatedly. It is a concentrate and you may use it 1 or 2 drops to apply on the hands, palms, and down the feet and over the forehead. Just before 1 hour to half an hour you may use it. You intends to start the sleep. Definitely in 2 or 3 days the acute case, the fresh case of a sleep disorder would be corrected with the use of Himasagar Tailam, Vali Chandanadi oil and the Ksheerabala. Any one of these you may choose according to your reachability. Means you go to any shop, inquire about it, any of this would be available. You may depend on this and improve your sleep for good. I would be coming off with different kinds of tips very shortly to improve your health during this period of locking down and isolation. Social distancing will be a period for our healthy habits to develop. We were so busy to practice healthy habits of Ayurveda called daily routine, Dinacharya. Let us learn that and practice it and earn our better health. Thank you.